How many moles of oxygen are in 2.0 moles of aluminium hydroxide? So here you have to be careful when you compute how many oxygen atoms you have. We have the subscript of 1 and we have a 3 outside the parentheses. So that's a total of 3 oxygens in this formula. To set up the math, we write the starting units, 2.0 moles of aluminium hydroxide. And we then recognize that there's 3 moles of oxygen in 1 mole of aluminium hydroxide. And so the moles of AlOH3 here cancels, and we have 2.0 times 3, which is equal to 6.0 moles of oxygen, and that's accurate to 2 significant figures. Now, I just want to clarify a little bit more about this formula. Any atom that does not have a subscript technically has a subscript of 1. Now, this is outside the parentheses, so this formula has 1 aluminum atom. Now, here we have 3 parenthesed groups. So we have an OH, we have an OH, and we have an OH, 3 separate ones. And each one of these has a subscript of 1 for the oxygens. So there's 1 oxygen here, there's 1 oxygen here, there's 1 oxygen here. So that gives you 3 oxygen atoms in total. So that's, again, an easy way to do it is just to multiply the subscripts. The subscript of oxygen is 1, the 3 outside the parentheses is 3, so you multiply those two and you get 3 for the subscript, or the total number of oxygens.